welcome to my channel. It's your girl, the fashionable Hannah, and we are going to be reviewing one of Christian's Louboutin pairs I just got right now. I'm going to show you all. You tell me what you think about Christian Louboutin shoes and how the fit, the sizing, and we're going to see what this unboxing is all about. See how it's well packaged. So it's your girl, the fashionable Hannah. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. So this is this for this, and we're gonna be trying this on. I'm gonna be trying this on. First of all, the packaging is bomb. I'm so obsessed with Christian Louboutin shoes. Their packaging is 100% so solid. This was about $1,300 US. I got it from the Christian Louboutin store in Orlando, Florida. So they have like 6-7 main stores, so you can check them out. And what is this? This is the Anemone Sandal 100 mm. It comes in color silver and lime silver. The material is special lining. And it comes in size 39, if you guys can see. So I'm going to first of all be removing this cute ribbons.
And the red really goes with the color of the box it came in.
Off. And then this is how it comes in. When you buy Christian Louboutin shoes, it comes either in the white and red or in the red baggie. And don't forget, they always put this inside accessories for your shoes in case your shoes mess up. So let's try this on and see what it looks like.
You got 2 pairs?
So this is it.
Wow, it's silver.
This is it. Totally in love with this.
Just look at that.
Just look at this. Just look at this.
The white bow goes with it very well.
Just look at this. This is how the shoe comes in, about $1,300. Totally worth the price. But I know a lot of people complain that their Christian Louboutin shoes are usually so uncomfortable. I would say definitely no. This is bomb as silver. This is size 39. My toes are not the best, but let's try this on. First of all, this shoe is made in Italy. It has an adjustable ankle strap with buckle closure, and it's not advisable to wear these shoes in the rain. So yeah, these are the bloody shoes. Christian Louboutin is known for its red iconic sole shoes. So let's enjoy this fashion and luxury.
It looks so cool.
When I tell you these shoes will make you feel so sexy and strong, they are given. Like, it's all classy. The feather is making you look so rich. I love Christian Louboutin shoes, the bloody shoes. I'm going to be trying this other side.
Then you can check out what's in the little baggie. The shoes look pretty.
I'm telling you, these shoes are bomb.
Some color. Let me take some pictures of it.
Yes. The shoes are super comfortable. 100 mm. The bows are giving the rich vibe. They perfectly fit my legs. The ankle straps are good, comfortable, 100% leather, Italian leather. So this is one of the shoes of Christian Louboutin that is worth its price. I would recommend it if you're looking for one of the most comfortable Christian Louboutin shoes. This is it. It's not too high too. So I'm going to give this shoe, I'm going to rate it a 10 on 10. If you want it, you can buy it from the Christian Louboutin. They have it at Nordstrom, they have it at Neiman Marcus. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. It's your girl, the fashionable Hannah.